Parts of human eye and their functions. The human eye is a ball of 2.5 centimeter in diameter. It consists of the following parts. Sclerotic. Sclerotic is the outer coating of the eye, which is white in color, that protects the interior of the eye and provides the shape to the eye. Cornea. The front part of sclerotic is transparent to light and is termed as cornea. Cornea is a round, transparent dome that acts as the outer window of the eye. The light coming from an object enters the eye through cornea. It is the structure that focuses the light that enters the eye. Iris. Iris is just at the back of the cornea. It is present in the eye in the form of a thin diaphragm. It acts like a shutter of a photographic camera and allows a regulated amount of light to enter the eye. It is the iris that gives our eyes a particular color. The composition of the iris enables it to dilate or contract the pupil, which in turn controls the amount of light that falls on the retina. Eye lens. Eye lens is a transparent double convex lens that is located immediately behind the iris. Its role is to focus the light and move it towards the retina, with the help of which image is formed at the retina by refraction of light. Ciliary muscles. The eye lens is held by ciliary muscles. It is a ring-like structure attached to the iris. It helps to focus image by contracting or relaxing as required to change in the focal length of crystalline lens. Ciliary muscles help the eye lens to change its focal length. Pupil. At the center of the iris, there is a hole through which light falls on the lens. This is called pupil. The pupil gets bigger and smaller depending on the amount of light falling on the eye. Aqueous humor. The space between cornea and eye lens is filled with a transparent fluid called aqueous humor. Vitreous humor. The space between eye lens and retina is filled with a jelly-like transparent fluid called vitreous humor. Retina. Retina serves the purpose of a screen in the eye where the images of the objects are formed. Retina is at the back of the eye lens. Retina is made up of light-sensitive cells which are connected to the optical nerve. There are two kinds of light-sensitive cells on the retina. These are rods and cones. Rods are rod-shaped cells present in the retina of an eye which are sensitive to dim light. We can see the things to some extent in the night due to the presence of rod cells in our eyes. Nocturnal animals like owls have large number of rod cells in their retina, which helps them to see properly during night. Cones are the cone-shaped cells present in the retina of an eye, which are sensitive to bright light. Cone cells cause the sensation of color of the object in our eyes. Optic nerve. Optic nerve carries the information to the brain. Blind spot. The region of the eye containing the optic nerve is not at all sensitive to light and is called blind spot. If the image of an object is formed in the blind spot, it is not visible. Eyelids. Eyelids are provided to control the amount of light falling on the eye. They also protect the eye from dust particles, etc.